Chris and I want to know how they bent this tree like this. Look at these stairs. They are incredible. I feel like these stairs are a lot easier than the ones the other day. At least so far.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Alright, this is our first site. Can't see it very well, but there's the blue water. So let's keep going. Oh, it looks like the stairs drop drastically down there. I spoke too soon. They just go straight down. It's gorgeous. Chris is getting his pictures. Do you love it?
I love it. It's beautiful. Look at that.
Is it worth the hike?
Yeah. I've never seen anything like that.
No? Looks pretty phenomenal to me.
Yeah, it does. I'm worried about these steps though.
Yeah, you don't need both. Gorgeous, huh?
Oh my god, it's so pretty. I've never seen water like that. I mean, that's kind of what the water looks like maybe in the Caribbean or something, like teal, that color.
Yeah. But definitely not like fresh water.
No way.
I've never seen fresh water that color. So pretty. It's incredible. Check out this awesome beetle. Hi, Mr. Beetle. I'm sorry, I'll leave you be. He's so cool. Alright, we're on our way back on this hike. We're hiking back and I'm realizing how flat-footed I am. So we're gonna go to this place when we get home and get specialized orthopedic inserts when we get home. And I just said, old people problems. Old people problems.
You're 35, I'm 39, almost 40.
We're not getting any younger.
We need to make sure we're both in good shape by the time we're 40.
Well, we gotta be...
You've got 5 years, I've got less than one.
We just saw this old couple that passed us, and this guy, this older man, he was like thin, and he was just hiking with his hiking stick, and his big hat, and his hiking boots, and his backpack, and the old lady had a backpack. Yeah, he had to be in his 80s, and he was just no problem. And I'm like... Chris is like, I want to be in good shape like that old man when I'm old. I'm like, yeah, we got to get on it. We got to get on it. Whew, shit is no joke. Aging is not fun. The problem is I don't realize how old my outside body is. Like, because to me, I still feel pretty young. You know what I mean? Like, I don't realize that my body's aging until I try to do shit like this. And then I'm like, oh, fuck. Man, I can't breathe. I'm sweating like a pig. My feet hurt. My legs hurt. My butt hurts. My lower back hurts. Like, what's happening? My knees are aching. Bitch, you're getting old. Old. Oh. Finally, I found agua de coco. Yeah. He'll pay you. He'll pay you.
Uno más.
No, no. Él paga. Solo uno. Only one.
Sí.
Solo uno.
I've been looking for agua de coco everywhere, and you can't find it anywhere.
De casca. Coconut water in Spanish is pipa.
Oh, it's different here. Okay, so I figured out why I can't find agua de coco here. That's not what it's called here. It's called something else. Pita, something. Thanks. I don't know. The guy just told me and I already forgot. But everybody keeps looking at me weird when I say agua de coco. And they're like, what the fuck are you talking about, white girl? Yeah, that's not what it is here. Hello, birdie. Whew, we're getting ready to go. We're packing everything up. Where are we headed next? The cloud forest?
Cloud forest.
We're headed to the cloud forest next. It is so hot. Anyways, I bought this sports bra for this trip. Like, it's brand new. Like, here are the tags. And I went to put it on this morning, and I literally cannot like get it like into my arms. Like, it won't go past here. Like, there's no way it's gonna fit here. It won't go past here. So I don't want to like just throw it away or something because it is brand new. So I'm gonna see if the girl that works here that has been waiting on us in the restaurant, if she wants it. I know that's probably seems so weird, but I mean, if somebody else can use it and it's brand new, why would I not give it to them to use? You know what I mean? So we're just gonna do one double take around here. We're gonna do one double take and then we're gonna get going. So we got caught in the rain the other day and everything is still wet, and because it's so humid here, it's like 100% humidity, nothing will dry, and now everything's starting to smell like really rancid. So we may end up throwing some of our clothes out because it smells so incredibly bad.
Take it off now or on the plate.
Okay, this is gonna be my outfit. Whew. I haven't worn shorts because apparently shorts are disrespectful here, but it's so hot today that I literally, like, I can't not wear shorts, so.